In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Facebook with MailChimp. This process will enable you to connect your Facebook account to your MailChimp account, allowing for streamlined marketing efforts and enhanced audience engagement. Start by navigating to the MailChimp homepage, open your preferred web browser and go to the MailChimp website. Once there, you should see the main dashboard. If you are not signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Next, find the integrations option in the left-hand menu. This section allows you to manage various integrations with third-party applications. Click on Integrations to proceed. After the integrations page loads, you will see a search bar. Type in Facebook in this search bar. This action will filter the list of available integrations to show only those related to Facebook. Once the search results appear, locate the Facebook integration. It should be displayed prominently. Click on the Facebook option to access the integration details. After selecting Facebook, you will see a button labeled Get Started. Click this button to initiate the integration process. This step is crucial for connecting your accounts effectively. Following this, you will encounter an option to highlight the Facebook integration. Click on this option to proceed further in the setup process. This action signals that you want to connect your Facebook account. Next, click on the Connect button. This step initiates the connection between MailChimp and your Facebook account. After clicking, be prepared for a brief loading period as the integration process begins. You will then be redirected to Facebook for authentication. Click on the Continue button to proceed. This action allows MailChimp to request access to your Facebook account information. Once you reach the login screen, enter your Facebook password in the provided field. Ensure that you type your password correctly to avoid any authentication issues. After entering your password, you will see a prompt requesting permission for MailChimp to access your Facebook account. Click on the option that states MailChimp is requesting access to review the permissions being requested. Next, you should click on Continue as Code. This confirms that you agree to the permissions requested by MailChimp. This step finalizes the integration process between the two platforms. Once the integration is complete, you will return to MailChimp where you can manage your Facebook settings. Ensure that everything is configured to your satisfaction to maximize the benefits of this integration. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.